This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the emoji keyboard in Settings so the rest works smoothly. Open Settings, tap General, then Keyboard. This is necessary because iPad won't show emoji without that keyboard added. Once done, choose Add New Keyboard and pick emoji from the list. Make sure the emoji keyboard now appears in your keyboards list. This allows the globe or smiley icon to show when you type. This step is quick, but required so you can switch into emoji in any app. Now you'll insert emojis into any text field. When you're typing, tap the globe or smiley icon on the on-screen keyboard to open the emoji picker. That switches from letters to icons. Once open, swipe through categories or use the search field to locate an emoji fast. Tap an emoji to insert it and long press some emojis to choose skin tone or alternate forms. This lets you compose messages with clarity and personality without leaving your current app. Finish by using quick tricks and a single troubleshooting tip. You can tap suggested emoji in the prediction bar for speed or set text replacements for common emoji sequences to type shortcuts. Enable dictation if you prefer speaking and then inserting emojis manually. If you ever don't see the emoji keyboard, restart your iPad, return to Settings keyboard, and re-add emoji. This resolves most glitches. If problems persist, update iPad OS because keyboard issues often fix with system updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.